Good morning, guys. Binance has listed a new project called LISTA on the Binance megadrop. Let me quickly show you how you can participate in this event. All you have to do is, the first thing is lock your BNB either for 30 days or 60 or 90, whatever, depending on the longer duration of you locking in your BNB, the higher your score is. And after that, you have to complete the Web3 quest, which is either going to give you a 1.5x multiplier on the on the existing points plus 1,000 bonus just for completing the quest. The last project, which was BounceBit, people completed just the quest, Web3 quest, and got that 1,000 bonus points, and they got a decent allocation, somewhere worth around $25 to $30, which is a good money. And now let me show you how you can participate in this LISTA project and how you can qualify for the mega drop. And as I said, the first thing you got to do is lock in your BNB, and you need to have 0.01 BNB to stake is one of the requirement for the LISTA DAO. Let me quickly show you how you can do that. Just go to the Binance app, open Binance megadrop, and you have LISTA over there, and you have to go to the Web3 quest. And before you start, as you can see, please transfer no less than 0.21 BNB, sorry, 0.012 BNB, which is recommended on the Web3 wallet of your Binance. So you can view the tutorial over here, which is there, and they have probably they show you how to transfer, and I will also show you guys. It's pretty simple, to be honest. You have to go to your Web3 wallet, which is over here, and once you go to the Web3 wallet, all you have to do is transfer. So as you can see, it is transferred from your Binance spot of funding wallet to the Web3 wallet, and it's going to be the BNB coin, and on the Binance smart chain. So you have to, your wallet address automatically comes in for the Web3. So all you have to do is select whatever the amount you want to transfer. Just click on max and transfer it. Right now I have already transferred it. Let me show you that. And as you can see, I have 0.012 BNB coin, which is worth around $6 or $7 maybe at that point of time. And let me show you how you can proceed with the Web3 quest. Just click on start now, and it will take you to the LISTA DAO page, and make sure your wallet is connected. And all you have to do is stake, and for the quest you have to lock in 0.01 BNB. So let me go ahead and do that. 0.01. The task is complete, guys. All you had to do, the same thing, was start and click on stake and click on max and then click on stake, and as you can see, the amount has been staked now. And all you have to do is just go back. Once you're done, click on you will have this verify button over here, and it will show it's completed. Once that's done, just as you can see, it's completed now, and you're already qualified for the mega drop, the LISTA program, and it's already done. That's all you got to do. It's probably going to take 2 minutes of your time, and that's about it. You're good to go. That's it, guys. Have a good day.